I haven't done this in years.
Having fun?
Yes, you were right.
Riding downhill, standing on your pedals, it's the closest thing you can get to flying.
Okay. Here. Come on. It's this way.
Here?
Here.
This is where you had your first kiss.
Marvin Biglione, the summer after 4th grade. He looked like a frog. His cheeks were out to here.
So you were trying to turn him into a prince.
Yeah, a girl can dream. So we were standing right here, and he leans in. And right as we were about to seal the deal on my first kiss ever, he burps, and it's wet.
Ew, that's gross.
And all I could think was do-over. I just want a do-over. It was awful.
Yeah.
Okay, your turn. Tell me something.
My first kiss? I don't know if we can bike there from here.
No, tell me your biggest fear. Okay, you know what? Stupid question.
No, it's not. It's just
Too soon? I get that. I mean, there are things I'm not ready to talk about either. What was that for?
do-over.